Warning: this video contains flashing indicators and loud sounds that may be irritating or could trigger a seizure. If you have photosensitive or startle-induced epilepsy, I strongly recommend that you stop watching. Sincerely, Canada WX.
Okay, let's just change of intros. No, just no.
Why? You didn't activate. Why?
Warning is in effect for l'Interstable area. Environnement Canada a émis une alerte dans votre région à 20h12, heure avancée du Nest, le lundi 28 juillet 2025. Une alerte orage violente est en vigueur pour secteur de lac au sable. Environment Canada has issued an alert for your region. A severe thunderstorm warning is in effect for St. Laurent-des-Beaux area. Environnement Canada a émis.
Yay, 2 stations!
Vous écoutez présentement la station Radio Météo Canada.
Daylight time, Sunday, July 6, 2020. Environment Canada has issued an alert for your region. A severe thunderstorm warning is in effect for Laubrière area.
Huh?
Environnement Canada a émis une alerte
Ding ding ding!
à 15h56,
Bruh,
heure avancée du
bruh,
Nest,
bruh.
le dimanche 10 juillet 2025. Une alerte orage violente est en vigueur pour secteur de l'Aubinière.
There's no 50 hertz. Since when?
Environment Canada has issued an
Since when?
A squall warning is in effect for Trois-Rivières du Nord.
It's a squall? What the fuck? Why did you a squall warning, but it's a severe thunderstorm warning? Isn't that crazy, bro? Crazy. No one?
Prévision pour confort.
At 2:42 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Sunday, July 6, 2025. Environment Canada has issued an alert for your region. A severe thunderstorm warning is in effect for lac au sable area. Environnement Canada a émis une alerte dans votre région. À 14h48, heure le dimanche 10 juillet 2025. Une alerte orage violente est en vigueur pour secteur de lac au sable.
Severe thunderstorm warning, but this time probably me. I don't know.
Sunday, July 13th, 2025. Environment Canada has issued an alert for your region. A severe thunderstorm warning is in effect for Lévis area and Saint Lambert area. Environnement Canada a émis une alerte dans votre région.